watching your video, Sophia. And Che, I will visit you, Che, okay? Na, 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 na. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Shouty. Salamat, Sophia. Sophia, you can connect Sophia with Che. Thank you so much. Ayan, Sophia, watching your video. And then to the ads. Okay, Che? Andito ako sa iyong bahay, Che. And I'm going to visit you and play your videos. Dito sa, ayun. Dito sa 5 tips, foreigners dating. Okay, latest video, thumbs up number 25 in your video. And host, play your video now. Wow, thank you so much, Sophia. Thank you for playing my videos. Okay, here's Sophia, but still watching your video. The sunflower rose and bouquet. Nice. And Che, ayan, still playing dito, Che. Sa iyong 5 tips. Foreigners dating a Filipina in the Philippines. Thank you. Ayan, welcome everyone. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you to my 4,000 eyes. Thank you so much, guys. Please do drop by your link down below so I can play your videos. Okay? Okay, Sophia, done to the video, Sophia. And I will add more video. Thank you. Okay, Sophia. Next video, Sophia. Sweet mango cooking with Sophia. It's so yummy, mango, huh? Ayan, thank you so much. Kape-kape tayo, late na. Oo. Ako kayo, manam ko pamahaw. Nana ako sa kitchen. Ayan, cheers. Let's drink to that, guys. Tubig-tubig. Tubig lang ta. Okay, kuan man. Pamantalang imnon. Thank you, Sikan Day Crown Tower. Wow. Ayan, Sophia, still watching your mango. It's so yummy, mango, Sophia. Tugon mo ko eh. Bago pagi ko kalig. Tayo na matulog. Ayan, Che, still playing, Che. Thank you, Sophia, still watching your mango. Mango sweet. Ayan, kumusta kayong lahat? Maraming salamat. And don't skip the ads, guys, if there's an ad in the video. Thank you. Hope you can visit my new uploads. Okay, Sophia, down to the second video, Sophia. Your yummy mango, huh? And I will add more videos, Sophia. Okay, I'm here in your third video. Pink and purple lily flowers. Wow, a lot of videos, Sophia. Okay, Sophia, still watching your purple lily flowers. There is a purple lily flowers. Okay. Thank you. Archie, good morning. Tam Tam. Thank you, Archie, and good morning sa'yo. Kumusta si Archie? How are you?